Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VISL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning and get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 22-cent mark was an area of support. And, it did a good job at first. You can see right there, did a good job of holding that support. However, unfortunately, the price ultimately did break down below it right there. And at that point is where you would expect, just the foundational rule when levels of support are broken to act as resistance. And that's what played out. The remainder of the day, the price tried to get back above 22 cents, but could just never quite do it. So I'm not saying the price can never get back above 22 cents again. My point is that it wasn't shocking to see that the price, couldn't get above that level. And that'll definitely be the main level from the resistance side of things to watch going forward. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, talked about that purple line in the video from Tuesday, the 50-period simple moving average, and so far so good. In fact, you can see that's essentially right where the price bounced off of. So watch that very closely. That'll be a very important level of support. Now, in the event that purple line does not hold up and the price eventually violates it to the downside, next key level of support at that point would be down there right around the 19.5-cent mark. So overall, though, the chart's hanging in there. Yes, it was a bigger pullback, but the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. So we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.